Hello, cousins. Welcome back to Relaxing with Allie. 1:45 p.m. Ancient knowledge and transmission. You smart as hell. Somebody from the past is watching you. Girl, you had the right one. Wrong time. That's how somebody wants you to feel. You had the right one, wrong time. Courtesy call of the night. Compassion. It's somebody that was stone cold towards you. Feminine or masculine. Like you see that stone laying across her, like you stone cold bastard. Yeah, whoever this is, it's like it's somebody that kept making you cry or somebody always made you sad or something. They studying the fuck out you. Hope. Yeah, sacrifice. We ain't good, but we still good. Like I know that we ain't make it to forever. We probably ain't get back together, but they have this whole thing fucked up though. That's the crazy part. That's the crazy part. You want absolutely nothing to fucking do with this person. You let them go. You also have somebody that is playing with magic in the background, playing with spells or something. They're trying to see how it affects you and how it affects your mood or something, compassion and empathy. They're hoping that, so it's like they're doing a spell to make you feel a certain emotion. And then with bright prospects, I feel like somebody's patiently awaiting the results. Somebody's doing candle magic or something in the background. Somebody's playing with black magic in the background. They want you. So I bet you manipulation, seduction is going to pop out because this person's trying to influence how you feel. Weirdo shit. What's this? Yeah, monster within and sacrifice. They have a fucking problem. Nightmare, witness, and faith. And they was hoping that you wasn't gonna notice or something like that. That's like having a surge in your fucking pocket or having some type of buzz in your fucking pocket and you just keep ignoring it, but you realize that's like, why is my first thing when it goes off, like, why is my pocket buzzing? What's buzzing in my pocket? They was hoping you was just gonna ignore it. So I don't know if this is somebody from your past or this is somebody that's been doing this shit for a while, but somebody's playing with spiritual magic in the background because they're trying to manipulate you into fucking with them. Oh my God, bro. Somebody's obsessed with you. They're hoping that it turns into love. Tell me that this does not give you Joe energy. This is fucking Joe. That's Joe. That's how Joe was staring at motherfuckers in the bookstore. You ain't paying no mind to this person and they sitting up there looking at you like, your eyes, the way you walk. I bet you don't even notice like that I'm watching you. I bet you don't even pay attention to all the eyes in the room, especially mine that are watching you. Yeah, they're trying to say something sweet and it's fucking creepy. I'm not playing this game. What's this? Very educated. They're learning all about you. They're very studious. But they're not as smart as they think that they are. And you're not as stupid as they think that you are either. How in the hell do you think you're going to start somebody's plotting on a relationship with you? How in the fuck would you start a relationship and you're doing magic to force the person to like you? If they don't like you, that's a pretty good sign that they don't fucking like you. Pretty good sign they don't like you. Pretty fucking good sign that they don't like you. Yeah, resurrection, Madden, pray, and enlightenment. person's acting like Joe and acting like Stan. That's all there is to it. What's this? This ain't even worth my fucking time. Just know somebody's watching you and doing magic in the background. Religion. Somebody on your followers list. And if you're dealing with somebody, dating somebody, talking to somebody, crushing on somebody, whatever the fuck, they're also looking for that person in your followers list. Supernatural. They're playing with magic, and if they can't find whoever this is, or you in the followers list, or you don't, whatever it is, then this person is doing fucking magic to get, I don't know, to make you say something, it's something, because somebody is studying you. In order to study, you need information to fucking study. Well, we know you're the test subject. What's this? Somebody trying to be a PI in the background. These are two different fucking people, though. I don't know if they're working together. I doubt it. But they could be. Faith and death rights. Or that death will come. Why the fuck I keep saying that death will come? So this is coming up to an end here. I'm going to assume it was only going on because Inspector Gadget didn't know that they were not, hidden or something. Somebody was about to attempt to offer you their heart after doing magic and shit on you. So they tried to manipulate this whole thing. Then they was about to try to come and offer you their heart because they like, oh my God, you was never supposed to know this. You know about it. And now they're stuck in their tracks before they start to do this because they get wind of it. Like, because they're studying you, they get wind that you know about this. Like, yeah, so I think that's some creepy ass shit. Like, whatever it is that you say, it's like, yeah, like that's some creepy shit. There's somebody, yeah, I'm all into spirituality. I bet your ass is. You do magic on people to make them fucking like you. So force them to fuck with you. See, there's somebody you already told no, or somebody you don't fuck with no more. Somebody that they know you wouldn't go for them. So off top, they're doing magic like, yeah, like come to me spells or want me spells. How come you don't want me? Like all type of weird shit. Somebody is constantly doing magic. Sacrifice. I'm good. I don't want none of that. You're not even my type. That's your energy, or you tell this person something outright, like I'm cool, like, or I don't like you. It's something, and they in their feelings. But the thing is, they're trying to force you to like them off top. Like that's not weird. What's this? Yeah, jealousy. They're mad because damn, why you see everybody but me, or why you want everybody but me? Call for help, cause hard pill to swallow. Just because you think you good for somebody doesn't mean that they think you're good for them. Just because you want somebody does not mean that they want you. They don't like that. Who cares? What's this? Enlightenment. They don't like that. Who cares? Yeah, the monster within. They have a fucking problem. Hey, they mad. And they mad as fuck. They mad as fuck. That's some funny shit. What's this? Now here's the thing too. It could also be somebody's ex. So this could either be your ex and they mad at the person that you fuck with or mad at you, or this is somebody that you fuck with ex, or somebody that like you ex and they throwing shade or something. Yeah, transgression and the monster within with nightmare. Somebody is throwing full blown magic there. I was like, I can't take it serious though, but yeah, somebody is throwing magic. It's about to backfire. It's about to return the sender though. It'll be a wipeout too. Yeah, Hunter and Rebellion. I told you. It'll be a fucking wipeout. The fuck are you talking about? Sacrifice? Nah, checkmate, bitch. What's this? This is goof troop shit. Come on, Paw Patrol, get it together. Somebody's career could end behind this. Somebody picks the wrong target. They aim for the wrong person. Whatever this is, something ends behind this because they aim for the wrong person. They aim for you. And that does not go well. I don't do this for nothing. Nah. What's this? Yeah. Somebody gonna wish they'd never came after you. This is going to backfire completely on them. This is stupid people shit. Actually, no, this is stupid person shit. Because this person's an absolute idiot. Yeah, you got people defending you completely behind your back because eternal youth and rebellion. What the fuck did you just say? What did you talk about? What? Yeah, you got people defending you behind your back. Ancient fucking knowledge and courtesy. Yeah, it's somebody that just feels like you don't fit you fit the usual suspects. You fit the fucking profile, but you don't fit in. Over here. Okay? Crazy people shit. That's what we talking about. Yeah, immortal. Somebody doesn't, yeah, anti-hero. Somebody doesn't like the fact that you don't conform to basically the rules that they feel like they gotta follow. You don't follow them, and you don't give a fuck that they follow rules, and they is mad that you don't care about their opinion. Somebody just wants to be noticed by you, and then they want to be like, y'all remember the movie Fighting Temptations? Y'all remember the fuck was her name? The chick couldn't nobody stand. The choir director, not the choir director, the treasurer or some shit. Like the one that got on everybody's nerve. Yeah, that's the energy this person's reminding me of. Like, you getting on my motherfucking nerve. You need to shut the fuck up. That's how somebody feels about you. But then they speak they piece, but then other people is like, you getting on my fucking nerve. You need to shut up. Like, you need to go on somewhere. So yeah, you got people defending you behind your back while you doing whatever you doing, and you got you got some people that's just mad. Like, I don't understand. If something backfires, it goes left. Somebody was expecting for everybody to be like, yeah, fuck this person, and nobody's saying that. So I don't know if this is you or if this about you. Somebody wants you to do this. I don't know, but you like, yeah, no, I'm cool. I'll be right back.